Hi, and welcome to another Fit for Purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about Tanova Simplex kitchen bins. Tanova products, whether they're pull-out bins, pull-out laundry hampers, or pull-out drawers, are all designed for Kiwis by Kiwis. Kitchen bins are one of the most used items in the kitchen, so we work very closely with designers and kitchen makers to make sure Tanova is truly fit for purpose in New Zealand homes. Tanova Simplex kitchen bins present very good value for money. There's also a very wide range of models for cabinets from 200mm to 450mm wide. And it's super simple handling your waste separating and recycling with multiple bucket combinations and sizes. So there really is a model that's perfect for your kitchen. Standard colorway is umber grey with charcoal buckets, and many models are also available in white frame with white buckets. Of course, they have soft close built in, so are quiet and smooth to use. And there are also some models that can be ordered with push to open function. With the Tanova Simplex range, there are options that attach to a fixed front cabinet panel, so they look like a big drawer, and also options that can be installed behind a hinge door. Great for retrofitting. If you really want a pull-out bin, but a very push for space, we even have a couple of Tanova Simplex bins that can be installed under your kitchen sink. So let's have a look at a few details, shall we? Tanova Simplex bins have a very good weight loading for their class at 45 kgs. Their runners extend past the edge of the bench, so it's easy to remove the rear bucket. The frame is strong and durable and made in New Zealand from 1.2mm gauge steel. There's also a protective lip above the runner position, which protects them from food and waste, which can cause corrosion or sticking. It also helps stop the bin liners getting caught in the runners as well. And on the Tanova Simplex bins, the metalwork goes back further on the bin than many other brands do. So there's less flex as you pull the bin out and push it in. This means smoother running. These bins are designed with top and side fixing points, so they fit in standard cabinet sizes nice and snugly, and are therefore very stable. Tanova buckets have convenient and robust carry handles that also hold down a bucket liner if you use one. And we make the 20-litre and 36-litre buckets right here in New Zealand. So the Tanova Simplex models with 20-litre and or 36-litre buckets have the official New Zealand made license. And now a point or two for the kitchen making and cabinet making trade. Tanova Simplex bins have large cutouts in the front mount bracket, so you can easily fit cabinet handles. And there's lots of front adjustment too.